All right, now the sauce is starting to reduce. We brought it to a nice boil, so we're going to go and check out our risotto cakes. The cheese is melted, so we're carefully going to pull one off and put it in the center of the plate. Now we're going to go and take our chicken and put that right up on top of the risotto cake. And now we're going to scoop around and get the mushrooms and artichokes and place them on top with enough sauce to cover the rim of the plate. And then, for a final garnish, we'll take a piece of rosemary, put it in. So, chicken Jerusalem in a white wine rosemary cream sauce with fried red wine risotto cakes topped with cheese.